laying low. Okay.
We will remain as owners and laborers.
You don't even like anybody but yours, and I have done nothing to deserve this from you.
You think this is a movie?
I am the true son of my father. I'll never let anything happen to you.
Get out!
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. It's your favorite baby girl, Talk with Presh. Okay, that amazing clip you just watched now is from the movie Tangled Roots. Okay, you can watch the movie on Uchenna Umbunabo TV. It's a Chinenye Nnebe production. See, trust me, that movie is mad. The storyline of that movie is all this and more. Like, I really cannot even go ahead to spoil this movie for you. You just need to watch this movie. The storyline is all about shattered love, parents interfering in love. Yeah, it's good to listen to parents, but please, yes, it's good to listen to parents, but most parents run interferences that will end up haunting people for the rest of their lives. Okay, so this movie stars Chinenye Nnebe, of course, she's the lead actress, and her beautiful baby chicken Shege. I just give you a hint. Her beautiful baby chicken Shege. We have Clinton Joshua, Nana Boma. Oh my God, amazing actors, all amazing. As in, however she chose the cast for this movie should be studied. Ada Uli, Charity Iwezu, and so many more amazing actors that I won't go into. So, if you want to watch this movie, head over to Uchenna Umbunabu TV, and trust me, you will come back to thank me. Okay, so guys, at this point, please, I want to beg of you, try watching these videos to the end. Also subscribe. Subscription is totally free. Like, share my videos. Okay, I'm also open to partnerships. I am open to business deals, whatever whatever it is, I am open to it. Okay, when it has to do with business, let's be guided. Okay, so thank you guys once again. I love you.